What would your life look like if starting this month you could create $900 days from your phone and then scale that up to a six or even a seven-figure business over time? That's not hypothetical. That's the exact opportunity sitting in front of you right now. And before you think, that's not me or I can never do that, I want you to hang with me for a bit because by the end of our time together, you'll see exactly how realistic this is for someone in your shoes. Here's the first thing you should do. Go to the link in my bio so you can see the blueprint I'm talking about. I'm going to walk you through exactly what it takes to make this work. I'm in my 40s now. I spent 10 years of my life as a monk, living by principles of service, simplicity, peace, healing, and transcendental philosophy. My days were filled with meditation, studying ancient texts, playing transcendental music, feeding the hungry, and sharing the wisdom. It was about tolerance, respect, humility, and compassion. It taught me discipline, focus, and the value of consistent action over time. When I came back into the regular world, I worked for a company for 5 years. And then in 2021, we got an email saying that they were cutting our pay in half after 5 years of loyalty. That was the moment I decided I will never put my future in someone else's hands again. I tried different ways to make money online before, multi-level marketing, affiliate programs. I spent more money than I made. I put in the hours, I chased the wrong opportunities, and I ended up burnt out. But in early 2024, I found a blueprint that actually made sense. It wasn't about spamming friends or running ads. It was about learning a skill set that works for everyday people and following a proven process. Let me break that process down for you, because this is where most people get wrong. Step one, get your business set up. You can do that in a single day. You have the exact systems and structures you need without being a tech wizard. Step two, plug into the community. Don't try to be a lone wolf. We have people at every level sharing what's working right now. Introduce yourself, ask questions, connect. Step three, go through the Launch to Profit training. This is designed to help you get your first sale within a week. No guessing, no wandering, just a straight line from brand new to making sales. Step four, follow the 2-hour workday. That means posting 3 pieces of content a day on social media, building your email list, and letting your automation handle the follow-up and conversions for you. Think of it like planting a garden. Setting up your business is preparing the soil. Plugging into the community is getting advice from experienced gardeners. The Launch to Profit training is planting your first seeds in the right spot. And the 2-hour workday is watering and caring for your plants every day. Do it consistently and you'll see your garden grow into something that feeds you, not just once, but season after season. Most people fail not because the opportunity doesn't work, but because they don't work the opportunity. They give it a couple weeks, then disappear. Imagine joining a gym, lifting weights twice, and then complaining you're not in shape. This business is the same. It rewards consistency. And you don't need fancy gear to start. If you've got Wi-Fi, a phone, and 2 hours a day, you've got everything you need. The rest is about being coachable, following the plan, and showing up even when you don't feel like it. Now, I know you might be thinking, okay, but what makes this different from everything else I've tried? Here's the difference. This blueprint isn't just information, it's a full environment. You've got mentorship from people earning 6 and 7 figures. You've got a community that's active every single day. You've got automation that does the heavy lifting once you've set it up. And you've got a clear daily method that's simple to follow. If you're feeling that little spark, that thought that says, maybe this could work for me, go to the link in my bio. The longer you wait, the longer you're choosing the life you've got now instead of the one you could have. I've seen people from all walks of life start with this blueprint. Teachers, nurses, construction workers, retirees, entrepreneurs who are burned out from their last business. The common thread isn't their background, it's their decision to stop tolerating less than they deserve. Building this business is like building a bridge from where you are to where you want to be. Every day you follow the 2-hour workday. You're laying down planks. Some days it's easy, some days it's not. But if you keep going, one day you'll look back and realize you've crossed the gap and you didn't need anyone else's permission to do it. Every day you wait is another day you don't get back. Time is the one thing you can't earn more of. And if you're anything like I was, you already know how it feels to lose time. Working hours you can't stand, missing moments with friends and family, putting off the experiences you dream about. The choice is simple. Keep walking the same road or take the exit towards something better. You've got the map, you've got the directions. All that's left is for you to start driving. Go to the link in my bio, grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It will show you exactly how to create $900 days and scale that into a 6 or 7 figure business over time. You can set it up in one day, plug into the community that's winning right now, and start moving toward a future you're excited to wake up to. Because you're in business for yourself, by yourself. We got your back. So just go to the link and get started right now. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.